Kidney system. Kidney filtration.
So tell me about your project.
This is the process of filtration, kidney filtration, the project name is. It's the process which the dirty things get filtered in our body with the help of kidney. In the kidney, nephron is present there, which help in filtration. So it is very much important of the kidney, because without the kidney, it will not filter the waste material which are been present in our body. So we should take care of it, of the kidney. And this is the process which we excrete out from our body. From the process here, the renal winds will carry the dirty things and will excrete out from our body.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
So my name is Theso.
Who will explain this project? You. Okay,
We are
tell
going
me about your project.
This is a group, our group's name, and this is our project topic, the project of our topic, and the project of our topic is the third law of motion. So this is the third law, and this is the first and the second law. If the object, the first law says that if the object is at rest, if we don't give any external force, then it will be at rest. Second law.
Good morning, everyone. So we are from class 10 and our project name is a hydroelectricity generator. So in this process, we could not show the demo, but we can explain you the process. Unfortunately, this morning the battery is...
Okay, explain to our viewers.
Alright. So in this tank, the water will be filled up and the water will fall through this pipe. And by the pressure of this water, the wheel will move, the portion wheel. And when the wheel will move, the energy will be applied and in the house, the light will light up. So this is the project.
Thank you.
Indonesia. So tell me about your project.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning. So we have made this project to represent the process of how wind turbine works. Windmill works by air, and the fan of it will spin, and inside the generator it will generate the electricity, and the electricity will be stored in the powerhouse, or as known as electricity house. The electricity house will be transferring the electricity to the cities to light up the houses. Thank you.
The atmosphere is becoming low day by day because we have started doing the deforestation much and much. So it's better for us that we stop doing the deforestation and we again start the afforestation, so that the atmosphere percentage may be higher again. Thank you.
So tell me about your project.
So yes, good morning. So my name is Florida in TP, and they're my colleagues. He is Atur in T and she is Archilin in TP. So now our project is about the domain of the earth. So the domains of the earth are the atmosphere, the lithosphere, and the hydrosphere. So let us first talk about the atmosphere. So the combination of gases is known as the atmosphere, and there are 5 layers. They are the exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, and the troposphere. So now moving to the next is the lithosphere. The solid portion on which we live is known as the lithosphere, and examples are mountains, plateaus, plains. They are one part of the lithosphere. Moving to the next is the hydrosphere. That is waters that covers a large area is known as the hydrosphere, and the examples are rivers, oceans, etc. So I conclude from my project that we have chosen this topic because we want to give more knowledge to the people so that they can learn more about the environment. Thank you.
Over here. So the main purpose to arrange the science exhibition program here in the school to promote the interest of the students in science and the technology. So as we know, in Karbi Anglong, we have lots of engineers, government officials, and those who are in higher ranks, but we lack the scientists. And this is the first step to promote the interest of the students in science. We need the scientists in our Karbi Anglong. So from the part of the school, teachers and the staffs, they were making one stage or platform for the students to show off their talents. Okay, thank you for sharing the time with us.